61A, Lecture Number 4. Announcements. Homework 1 is due tomorrow. The HOG project is posted and it's due next Thursday. But not really. Really, you can get an early submission bonus point by turning it in next Wednesday. So that's the date you should shoot for. If something goes wrong and you turn it in on Thursday, you'll be fine. You'll only lose that one extra credit point, which is extra credit anyway, no big deal. But if you do get it done by Wednesday, then you get that extra credit point, which is an excellent thing. Turning in projects late in this course comes with stiff penalties. You only get 2/3 credit for being a day late, so make sure you get it in on time, or even better yet, a day early. To help keep you on track, I'm asking you to complete Checkpoint 1, which is Phase 1 out of 3 phases, by Monday night. Please solve this part by yourself, then submit it, and then you can start working with a partner. It's fine if you finish before Monday, that's even better, and you can start working with a partner just as soon as you've submitted Phase 1. I had originally said that Checkpoint 1 was due Tuesday. Why is it Monday now? Let me know if that causes a big problem for you, but I think this is really just a good suggestion for making sure you finish the whole project on time to finish Phase 1 by Monday. This semester, in addition to regular lecture, we'll have a series of additional topics lectures that are every Wednesday at 5 p.m. in 3106 Etcheverry. These are completely optional. They are not designed to help you master the material for 61A or prepare for exams or solve the projects or anything like that. They're strictly there because they're interesting. Here are a bunch of topics that are not included in 61A for various reasons, but are interesting extensions to the core material. So, if you're feeling comfortable with the 61A material and looking for a little bit more information, you can come to these additional topics lectures. But if you don't come, that's fine. Most people don't come. Maybe 5% of people come. It's totally up to you. But they are topics that I think are interesting, so I enjoy giving these additional topics lectures. And if you do decide to come to all of them and complete a few additional homeworks, then you can earn 1 pass-no-pass unit of credit for our course called Additional Topics in the Structure and Interpretation of Computer Programs. The EECS department advisors are holding a student mixer where they'll tell you about resources that are available to you and help you find a partner for the projects. There's one today and there's one tomorrow. They're both the same, so just pick one. And finally, the course staff have started holding office hours. You should go to office hours if you're ever stuck and you want some advice on how to make progress on any problem you're working on any concept you're struggling with from lecture, etc. Office hours are available for any questions that you have on a drop-in basis, no appointment necessary, and the schedule, which is also posted here, covers a great deal of the week. So after lecture today, you could come to office hours for 1, 2, 3, 4.5 hours. Now, please don't just come to office hours and hang out there. That can make things a little bit crowded. Come and ask a question. And when you get the answer to your question, then find some other place to work until you have another question, and then you can come back in. But I really do recommend coming to office hours if you find that you're stuck for more than, an hour or two on any particular problem. It's a good idea to read the problem on your own, think about it for a while, try to make progress, but then come in for help. In general, the staff will not just tell you the answer, but they will give you some direction on how to make progress. You are not alone in this course. If you're trying to solve everything by yourself, that's very brave, but at the same time can be rather unproductive. So I recommend getting help. You can get help from your peers. You can also come to office hours and work with the folks that have been specially trained to be helpful to CS61A students. The names of the TAs are listed here, but some office hours will have even more staff available if we're predicting a crowd.